Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. I am Dr. P. Sarita, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Government College of Engineering, Tanjavur. Subject name Physics for Civil Engineering. Subject code PH8201. Shall I now discuss about the topic thermal performance of buildings? Are you civil engineering students? Good thermal performance of building created using some requirements. First one ventilation, second one air conditioning, third one thermal insulation materials. Thermal performance of buildings refers to the process of modeling with the energy transfer between the building and the surrounding atmosphere, with the sound energy absorbed by the surface associated with the buildings. Energy emitted by a building can be improved. The major load contribute from the internal heat gain at 6400 watt. The total heat energy absorbed in the building 42%. What are the classification of thermal performance of buildings? First one residential, second one educational, third institutional, fourth one assemble, fifth one business buildings, and sixth one mercantile buildings, seventh one industrial buildings, eighth one hazardous buildings, and ninth one storage buildings. Already you know different parameters of the buildings. For civil engineering students, second semester studying in this subject. This subject very useful in this lifelong learning. The subject for engineer or basic fundamental knowledge development. First, students to develop the thermal performance of building, heat gain, heat loss calculated. And second one, acoustic properties of buildings. Third one, lighting designing. Fourth one, different materials are used in this building. Material properties, applications are analyzed. And finally, hazardous of materials are analyzed. In this thermal performance of buildings, inside fenestration calculated. Fenestration meaning any opening or any fresh air inside the building. Generally, the heat energy transfer for three modes: conduction, convection, and radiation. Thermal heat conductions using the Newton's law of cooling. This formula Ka into Th minus Tc by L. K meaning thermal conductivity of the material, A area of the material, Th minus Tc meaning temperature difference between the hot and cold temperature, and to the length or thickness of the material. And heat convection, the building wall inside and outside for transfer the heat energy. This energy, heat energy coefficient value and area of the material and surface temperature to the fluid temperature difference analyzed. Heat energy radiation meaning this absorptivity of the surface 1 and 2 calculated and multiplied area and Stephen Boltzmann constant value multiplied and the product of temperature difference between the two surfaces. Evaporation, the rate of heat of flow of evaporation increases, the temperature also increases. Thermal performance of building inside Major three requirements analyzed. First one is ventilation. Ventilation is the process of fresh air enter and removed the outside dust air in the buildings using mechanical or natural ventilation means. Different type of ventilation analyze, natural and mechanical ventilation. And next, second one, air conditioning. Air conditioning is the process of treated in the air in a room or hall or any building inside, and so as to control its temperature, humidity and purity. And third one is thermal insulation. Thermal insulation is to the constant heat energy inside the building and outside for irrespective responsible for the change in temperature. What are the necessity of the ventilation? To supply fresh air to the occupants, to remove the dust air by the building occupants, to remove the bacteria, to remove the accumulation of carbon dioxide, to remove the body generated heat energy occupants, to remove the condensation of deposition of moisture in the building, to prevent the suffocation of the building. For civil students, to understanding the learning objectives for this subject, first one is need for ventilation and designing for ventilation system analyzed. Second one, natural and mechanical ventilation analyzed. Third one, AC principal types system analyzed. Fourth one, thermal insulation materials properties and its applications. And fifth one, you need for heat energy transfer calculated. What are the classification of air conditioning? Two classificational, functional AC and seasonal AC. Functional AC, there are two types, comfort AC and industrial AC. Comfort AC means with the aim of comfort AC, the main aim to give maximum comfort to the occupants of the air conditioned space. Your body comfort temperature for 37 degrees Celsius, that is Fahrenheit value 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. That is, comfort is to be defined with respect to this value. This thermal comfort for using in your human comfort, there are three climatic factors. First one, air temperature around us. Second one, humidity of the air around us. Third one, velocity of the air around us. And second types of are industrial AC. This aim, the purpose of AC is to be comfort as the material processing in the industry. For storage, food materials or any companies or IT field, or software companies or different companies, textile companies or jewelry, or many companies using for AC. Comfort AC or using this packaged AC. And next one, seasonal or temperature depending. Seasonal classification, there are three types: winter AC, summer AC and year round AC. First one, winter AC. when the outside heat energy, when the outdoor energy is colder, the incoming air is heated and the circulated in these rooms. The process involved in the AC system for winter season, air conditioning, cleaning, air for heating, air humidification and air distribution in the room. Summer AC meaning when the outdoor temperature is higher or hottest. Your outside temperature higher, inside the building using cooling air. Okay, before supplying the cooling air inside the room, air conditioned system, AC air cleaned first one, second one air for cooled and dehumidification process analyzed and air distribution in the room, and third one year round AC meaning composite AC, full year your comfortable hybrid AC using or any packaged AC using for year round AC. In this system, air conditioning system for year round using, your cost is high. And what are the requirements of the AC? There are 4 requirements are analyzed. First one is temperature control, second one humidity control, third one air quality control, fourth one air velocity control. And important systems for AC. There are 4 important AC. Centralized AC, second one self-contained system, third one semi-conditioned system, and fourth one combined system. What are the essential parts of an AC systems? First one is filter. These are different type of filters using. The filters, dust, moisture remove it, fresh air inside this room. Viscous filters, dry filters, washers, electrical precipitations, spray washers. And second one heating system, third one cooling system, fourth one humidification process, fifth one dehumidification process, seventh one condensation process analyzed. This overall finally air circulated system for find out. The air circulation system for your season wise, your winter season your room is hottest, your summer season your room is for colder. Can changing this seasonal temperature. And next one thermal insulation. Thermal insulation materials are used. These are organic and inorganic materials are used. The first one thermal insulation, conservation of constant heat temperature of the buildings. These buildings inside constant temperature, outside for various temperature analyzed. The thermal insulations are to keep the room cool in winter and summer season, warm in summer, warm in winter, summer in cooler, using this thermal insulation material. And second one, it reduces fuel expenses to maintain the desired temperature in your room. And third one is it prevents moisture deposition on the walls, roofs or ceilings. And finally, it prevents the possibility of the freezing materials and heat loss in hot water systems in cold regions. You can changing this season wise or material used. The thermal insulation of the buildings such as roofs, walls, ceilings, doors, windows, etc. The rate of heat of flow from outside to inside, where temperature, highest temperature to lowest temperature regions analyzed. Thermal performance of buildings, conduction, convection, radiation and evaporation process are applied. And next one, some terms used in AC. First one, thermal conductivity analyzed, thermal resistance analyzed, thermal resistivity, thermal coefficient, surface resistance are analyzed. Are you civil engineering? A civil engineer, first basically some physical properties and chemical properties of analyzed. Using this concrete material or any new engineering materials, your physical and chemical properties are analyzed. You are depending upon the outside temperature wise, your inside buildings are changes. Your ventilation, your majority opening doors or windows are used. Your side wall, full opening or many doors are using. And next one, thermal performance of building inside. Some important topics are analyzed. Solar radiation important. Sun is a star. Sun is a source of energy. Is considered as a radiant energy sources. The solar radiation energy power value 2700 watt and solar constant value 1367 watt per meter squared. The total heat energy analyzed. Totally net heat balance are calculated. Total heat energy Qi plus Qs plus Qc plus Qv. What do you mean by Qs? Solar heat gain. This value for 2700 and conduction of heat gain value 1446 and internal heat gain in the buildings of value for 6440 watt and rate of ventilation value 2700. So overall all these net values analyzed. So total heat energy balance value calculated according to Newton's law of cooling basis, where conduction, convection, radiation basics, where heat energy calculated. Already you know solar radiation geometry, latitude, azimuth angle, declination, heat angle, hour angle, slope. The students will acquire knowledge on the thermal performance of building, acoustics of buildings are analyzed. Ventilation, the rate of heat flow due to the interior of the surface and the outside depends on the temperature of air exchange. Where ventilation rate calculated, some using formula QV equal to EV into C into delta T. E for energy density of air, C meaning specific heat of air, V meaning rate of ventilation and T meaning change in temperature difference for inside building to the outside building. Outside temperature is higher, inside temperature is lower. This difference analyzed. And next one, solar heat gain, heat loss are calculated. Heat loss or heat gain, find out. Heat energy tends to distribute itself evenly until a perfectly diffused uniform thermal field is achieved. Heat tends to flow from higher temperature to the lowest temperature zones by conduction, convection, radiation and evaporation. And heat gain is a positive where temperature is far higher, this is summer season. Heat gain is a negative, that is winter season. Where zero is coming, that is winter season. If more than zero is coming, that is summer season. These are heat gain, heat loss estimated important. And heat load or thermal mass are find out. We're building inside, how many materials majority we have to used, analyzed. Can reducing this you can reduce the material, thermal insulation material utilized, where heat gain, heat loss are reduced. This material for cloth material, wool or foam material, cotton material, any organic or inorganic insulation materials are used. Silk materials, not plastic or rubber or ebonite material not uses. Or glass material, glassing materials are used for reducing the temperature. These buildings may be classified according to the occupants' load transfer materials used in degree of this fire resistance. Degree of the fire resistance. Already some values are find out. National building value of India. Some constant values analyzed. Materials, physical constant value or chemical values are find out. And next one. Next one, design for natural ventilation. Wind action using for sitting on chair value 0.75 meter. For sitting on bedroom 0.6 meter. For sitting on floor 0.4 meter used. And next one, fenestration, any opening or arrangement of openings in the building. Or normally we can filled with the glassing. One side wall fully for opening and then for grill gate or any glassing window using. We can reduce the heat energy. Multi-storage buildings for fully for not cement and concrete walls, only for glassing material used. Fenestration systems analyzed. Glassing, windows, curtain walls, sloped glassing, exterior doors. The fenestration products such as windows, doors, skylights, curtain walls, etc. This is designed to permit the passage of air, light, vehicles or people. And heat gain, heat loss for identified in the through walls and through ceiling or roofs and windows. Everything analyzed. After that you have to fix this natural and mechanical ventilation process. Finally concluded that the students will acquire knowledge in thermal performance of buildings. Thank you one and all.